Funny you should ask. All right, well this is an interesting little item you've probably never seen before. We get a lot of books that have collectible value. Occasionally we get books that have historical value. So this book is called Underground Railroad, but it's not the novel that came out recently that was a Pulitzer Prize winning novel. This is nonfiction, and it was published in 1860. It's called The Underground Railroad From Slavery to Freedom by Reverend W.M. Mitchell. This is the author. It's published in Edinburgh. Why? That's because although he was an American, no American publisher would publish this. It's a second edition, but there are no first editions out there anywhere, and there are almost no second editions out there. So it's not in perfect condition, but for its age, it's still pretty nice. This was brought in a buy. And it's also a great example of an item that doesn't look like much of anything on the outside, but it's so wonderful on the inside.